Foshan TSO Construction Machinery Company Limited is a solution provider for concrete pump. Our TSO, we are moving forward. Every step is solid and powerful. Every step is a pioneer. We have opened localization services in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, South America, and other 10 countries. We have branch service centers in USA, Canada, Dubai, Russia, Singapore, Bangladesh, etc. We have cooperated with 19 construction machinery brands such as Caterpillar, Zoomlion, SANY, Putzmeister, Sinomuk, Sumitomo, Volvo, XCMG, Komatsu, Kobelco, Hitachi, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, etc. 19 construction machinery brands such as Sumitomo, Volvo, XCMG, Komatsu, Kobelco, Hitachi, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, etc. have been working together for many years. Every step is a flight. In 2000, TSO Construction Machinery was established, has been for the majority of basic construction customers. Every step is a challenge. TSO Construction Machinery core products rapid iteration, so far successively launched the first TSO Machinery VR APP plus 180 degrees of full ecological safety and efficiency of soil mixing machinery. Focus on global construction machinery, used refurbished machinery.
Working in the TSO machine. Today I am going to tell you about the TSO company. First of all, you can see that concrete mixture. This is the latest technology we are using, and you can see how to mix the concrete during construction.
Always trust TSO Machine. Always trust TSO Machine.